All right, so I had to make a quick video on this because I think this is hilarious. So I want to make some wings. You could probably hear the air fryer in the background. So they had fresh wings there. It was $20 for 4 pounds, which is absolutely ridiculous. I thought it was ridiculous when the prices were like $14 for a pack of wings from the grocery store. So I saw this. This was also just over 4 pounds, and it was 10 bucks. Now they have this out because obviously the Super Bowl is around the corner, and you know, they had all the frozen snacks and stuff like that. So I ended up getting this bag just to try it out, and I've never seen such inconsistency in my life. So here's one wing. This is a flat from, it looks like a dinosaur of some kind. And then here is another one. This is the same piece of chicken. So obviously you have drumsticks, right? And you have flats. So here's one, something in between. So 3 pieces of chicken. They're supposed to be identical. And we have 3 different sizes. I mean, this is insane. I've never seen a chicken wing this big in my life. So yeah, I think the cooking times might be a little bit different. Anyway, that's all. I just felt the need to share this because I thought it was kind of funny. All right, I figured I'd show you these all done as well. So here's that substantial one, which is definitely a really meaty wing. Super hot still. These just came out of a little air fryer. And then we have this guy. So this is what we find when we go to the Chinese buffet. So when you say you had, you know, 45 chicken wings for lunch, it sounds more impressive than it is. But there you go, for size comparison. Not really fair. So anyway, that's it. Hopefully you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.